Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add any design on product box using Adobe Photoshop. First of all, you have to import your background picture with the box. You go to File, Place Embedded, and select the picture that you want to use. So I select my Pizza Hut logo. Bring it here. You can size it by holding on the edges, hit an OK. Now you can see it's converted to smart object, so we right click and convert to layers so that we can cut. So we select the Marquise tool, rectangle tool, and select it. Hit on Ctrl plus X on the keyboard to cut. Now select filter and select vanishing point. We are in vanishing point. Select the box by selecting on one side to another with your mouse. Now hold on Control on the keyboard and pull to this direction. Now make sure you hold the Control button and make sure you size it. Now we need to bring the logo that we cut, so we hit on Ctrl plus V to paste the picture here. Make sure you hold the edges, Ctrl plus T to bring it, to size it. So now I can bring it here, pin it small. Yeah, it's okay. We need another one, so we duplicate by holding on Ctrl plus V to bring it back. So give it a size. Place it here. Now hit OK. So we go to blending mode, then you select multiply, so you can see the picture is selected on it. Now let's right click and choose blending options and hold on Alt and push this here, and also hold it and push it here. Let's do the same thing here. So now we'll multiply opacity, so we bring it down small so we feel it. So boom, now we have added the logo to our box. At the end of the video, in case you like it, just give us a subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that anytime we post, you get your notification. Thanks for watching.